Welcome to Shukmar classes. Now I am going to explain the problems on issue of debenture. Under this problems on issue of debentures, we are going to pause the journal entry. There are variety of problems are under this. The first one is problems on issue of debenture at par, and the next one is problems on issue of debentures at discount, and the third one is the problems on issue of debentures at premium. What do you mean by per? Issue of debenture at per. Example, face value of the debenture is 100 rupees. That is issued to the public, it is for same 100 rupees. So when a debenture is issued at its face value, it is called as issue of debenture at par. The next one is, what is discount? What is discount? When a debenture are issued is less than its face value, is called as discount. Example, the face value is 100 and it is issued for 95. 100 rupees debenture is issued to the public for 95 rupees and collecting of 95 rupees. Therefore, rupees 5 is discount. And at last, third one is premium. When the debentures are issued more than its face value, example, face value 100 and issued at 110, rupees 10 is extra collected from the public, that is called as premium. We need to pause the journal entry for this one. The trick of pausing the journal entry. For example, if I issue into the 3 installment, the first installment is application, debenture application. The second installment is debenture allotment, and the third installment is debenture first and final call. There are 3 installment in this. 3 installment means you have to pause the 6 journal entries. I am drawing that arrow mark to make you people understand it is. Now, out of 6, 3 received will be there. For application, always the received is first. And for remaining things, the received is at later. Second stage, received. Remember that whenever there is a received, our bank account will be first. Bank account debit, bank account debit, and bank account debit, followed by, what is the heading? The heading is debenture application. Debenture application account to debenture application. And for the second one, what is the heading? The heading is debenture allotment to debenture allotment account. For third one, what is the debenture? What is the heading? Debenture first and final call. That will be the journal entry to debenture first and final call. Out of 6 journal entries, 3 journal entries are over. Now next, coming to remaining 3 left over. Out of that, first one is transfer, and next one is due and due. Remember to pause this journal entries for the remaining 3. Heading, you try to write it first. You write the heading is first. Debenture application account debit. For next one is debenture heading is allotment account debit, and for the last one is debenture first and final call account. The first line of the journal entry is over. Then what will appear into the second line? The second line is followed by, for all the cases, to debenture account, to debenture account, to debenture account. That's it. The same 6 journal entry will be applicable to the 6 marks problem. Now we can see the problem. ABCD Company Limited issued 10,000, 10% debentures of rupees 100 each, which is payable as follows. On application rupees 15, on allotment rupees 50, on first and final call rupees 35. All the money duly received post journal entry for the issue of debenture. So this 3 installment is given. Now 5 plus 5 it is 10, 3 plus 5, remaining one 4, 9, 10. So the issue of share is 100 rupees and collected from public also it is 100 rupees. Therefore 6 journal entries will appear. Remember that this journal entry is 1 and transfer is due is 3 and due received is 4, on allotment is 4, and debenture first and final call it is 5, and first and final call it is received 6. Let me write all the 6 one below the other. After that let me try to write the amount on this. Now you can see that 6 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one is what? First one is application received. Second one is application transfer. Third one is what? Allotment due. Fourth one is allotment received. Fifth one is first and final call due, and the sixth one is the first and final call received. So you know that already I informed that for received and all it starts with the bank account debit and the heading will appear into the second. Right. Now you have to fill it up, that one based on the previous idea what I given. Yes, because of time constraint, the explanation what I given for the 6 journal entries, I have made it record it immediately. Now the very first and second one is for application received and application transfer. The company has issued how many number of debentures? You can see that 10,000 debentures. And what is the percentage it is given? 10%. What you have to do this 10%? In how many places the debenture is there? In all the places you should record 10%. Wherever the debenture is there, there you should write it as 10%. Now it is issued 10,000 debentures into application 15 rupees. 10,000 into 15 you get 1,50,000. This will appear, it is into the 4 places, because on application we have 4 lines of journal entries relating to journal entry 1 and 2. Next, coming to allotment. In allotment the company issued collected 50 rupees. 50 rupees into 10,000. 10,000 into 50 you get it is 5 lakhs. Yes, 5 lakhs. That will appear, it is into 4 places, because in allotment we have 3rd journal entry and 4th journal entry. And coming to 5th journal entry, First and final call, they collected 35 rupees on 10,000 shares. 10,000 into 35, you get 3,50,000. 3,50,000 for the all the journal entries. And what is the narration to be written? So to make it as easy, what I made is that, what is the heading I given there? You see, application received. The narration will appear, it is being. You just write the word being. And what is the heading I written? Application received, being debenture application money received. And next one is what I written? Application transfer, being debenture application money transfer. Allotment due, being debenture allotment money due. Allotment received, being debenture allotment money received. First and final call due, being debenture first and final call money due. And for first and final call received, being debenture first and final call money received. First and final call money received. That's it about this. And in my next video, let me provide the problems on discount and the premium in each video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want further notification, please subscribe my channel. If you like my explanation, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.